po kami today sa bahay lang. It's a rainy day. At the same time, nanonood ng Daddy. So, it's Daddy. It's a rainy days. Ayan, basta I think this California has a storm. Ano gawa mo?
Yung pancake.
Ah, ito kami. It's everyday. Ganun lang kami. Ayan, paborito kong plana, gumuusbong na siya. Kasi may baby siyang monstera yan. I like that monstera plants. Z. Magulo. Today, I will do my color later. I'm gonna use this product. It's no ammonia for my hair. I will show it later. I was planning not to color my hair anymore, but it seems like I'm not ready. So, yes. So, I'm gonna use this color later for my hair. Yeah, that is my stuff. And it's been a while. Yeah, mga color. Yeah, that, completo. Everything is complete. The colors there. The brushes. Yes, all sanitized. And then, this is my... Oh nga pala, I have a chair. See that? It's my salon. It's a chair, for hairstyling chair. Ito, this is another one. It's a white chair. This is the chair. Kailangan ko na siyang linisin, no? Ngingin din na siya. Let's watch the rain. My sister is, I think she's going to bed. Okay lang kunang kita. Walang mukha. Ha? Matutulong. Ang tagal ko nang hindi, it's been a while, I have no video. Puro 15 seconds na lang. So this time I'm gonna. Daddy Frankie. He is a blogger that who helps people in needs, like lost soul. And I like it as him. Hopefully he see this video of mine. Anong gawa mo?
Pancake.
Pancake.
Homemade pancake.
Ah.
Kaysa bibili sa labas ng ito, homemade. Homemade.
Mamaya na, tingin natin mamaya pag piniprito na. Ayan o, ang lakas. So, ang hangin. God, we have a storm. I really need to color my root. I don't know. Which one do you think is all white? I should color it again or no more color? You know, thinking not to color anymore because it's keep on breaking. But we'll see. We'll see. Ayan, Japanese pancake. Konting ano lang. Yeah. Alam mo, nagkakala ka man ito. Tagal ko nang hindi nag-post.
Palitan mo ng i-ano mo lang. Kung $5 lang i-ano mo ng tsatsaga. Lalo masisira yun, di mo magagamit. Tsaka yan lang. Hindi ito iba ang yung ko
Here I am, I'm mixing my color. So I'm gonna do this color. I already mixed that. And I'm gonna color my own hair. Hold on.
Pero, abang nasa yung mga ingredient na sa dito.
Okay, I'm gonna continue. One section. I have to color my roots. Going back to work tomorrow.
Iba ang lasa nito, Irene, sa pancake. Ito yung karton, ito. Ito. Yun yung ginawa ko, iba iba. Iba lasa. Masarap yung gawa.
So now, see, I'm using an no ammonia color, so I'm almost done. It's tough to do own hair, but I must do it because nobody can do my own hair. So, yeah. So I will continue, okay? Okay, now so I'm done. I have to wait for at least 30 minutes. Let's see, okay? And I'll show you after. Yeah, that's. Look at that now. It's colored. That's the result. Then I'm gonna blow dry it afterwards, okay? Be right back. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna just dry naturally. So this is how it looks now. See? At least it's cover my gray. Yeah, just drying naturally now this time. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.